Women are easily attracted to men who know these things. Sometimes when it comes to dating and relationships, as men and women, we think we know everything about each other. And spoiler, we don't, right? However, when you know certain things about women and about how women think, it helps you capture her attention so quickly and escalate her attraction for you like you would not believe. Does that sound like some secrets you would like to be in on? Well, good news, you're in the right place, so make sure you stay with me to the end of this video. By the end, you will know 5 secrets about women that many, if not most men, are completely oblivious to. And it's going to help set you apart, help you stand out, and attract her so much easier. So with that, let's get started with the first thing you need to know. Number 1 is that she doesn't want you to fix everything. More often than not, she just wants you to listen to her. As men and women, we're different. What? Why didn't somebody tell us sooner, right? No, seriously, we all know that, but we forget to keep this in mind. Women need to talk things through, okay? That's why you're always seeing girls talking to their friends and talking it out and talking it over again and again and again. That's how we process things. And often, especially that man she wants to trust, that she's attracted to, she wants to tell you things. She wants to talk about things. She does not need you to fix it. She just needs to talk about it. Now, as a man, your instinct is, let's take care of this. Like, let's fix this. And the truth is, there's a time and a place for that. And it can be incredibly attractive as well. That's part of what helps you become her hero. However, more often than not, she doesn't want you to come up with a solution. She doesn't want you to try and fix it. She just wants to feel listened to. Now, if you have already seen this video I just did, you know that being a good listener is one of the most attractive traits and something that women look for in a lifelong partner. And by the way, if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description below. It sounds like a small thing, but being a good listener is ridiculously attractive. And before I get to our next juicy secret you need to know, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. My name is Melannie. I'm a Christian dating coach for men and creator of Attracting Lasting Love Academy. I am your go-to source to learn how to find that adorable gal. No more drama, no more fake toxic women. I'm talking about the real authentic love, the kind of woman who's just stunning and gorgeous and loves the real you. So is that what you're looking for? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Okay, the second thing is that she is just as nervous as you are. Do you know that feeling when you're standing in front of someone you think is really attractive and you really want them to like you and you're nervous, right? And you feel awkward and a little bit uncomfortable even though you want to spend more and more time with her. That feeling happens to everyone, okay? And so as a girl, when she's standing in front of a guy she thinks is really cute, she starts to sweat. She starts to get nervous. All of a sudden she's like, why did I say that? That didn't even make sense. And she starts to shake a little bit. It's all perfectly normal. And when we know this and kind of embrace this a little bit, it makes dating and relationships so much easier. This is actually something I share with my clients in my academy. Sometimes you just have to embrace the awkwardness, okay? Sometimes you just have to say, you know what? I'm going to feel nervous. I'm going to feel awkward. I'm going to do my best to be really awesome at this, but at some point I've just got to embrace it. And once you do that, you feel so much better. You take all the pressure off of you, you take the pressure off of her, and now you can relax and enjoy falling in love. So you're not going to be perfect at this. She's not going to be perfect at this. And it's totally okay. And a man who truly understands that is so much more attractive to a woman because she doesn't have to be perfect. And it's okay if she says something stupid. It's okay if she acts a little bit clumsy because you'll be understanding. And by the way, a man who is understanding is one of the main things a woman wants in a husband. So that little simple act of just letting it go, it goes a long, long way. Okay, the third thing that all men need to know, that this makes you ridiculously attractive. Okay, this is like on a scale of 1 to 10, this is like 103. Okay, this is really, really attractive. This thing is you need to know how to make her see you as a man, as a strong masculine man. I don't mean to be aggressive. I don't mean to force things, just to see you as a man. Just like you are attracted to a woman who is feminine and soft and gentle, she is attracted to a man who is strong and confident and masculine. Now, before you freak out or before you get the wrong idea, I am not talking about that kind of stereotypical macho man. That's not actually masculine, that's macho. It's kind of that concept of the knight in shining armor. She doesn't need her knight in shining armor to always win. She does not need her knight in shining armor to be perfect. She just needs him to be willing to try to be the knight in shining armor. That right there is why fairy tales and superheroes are so attractive, because she just wants that strong man who's willing to try. So how do you do this? How do you help her see you as a strong, confident, masculine man? What does that even look like? Is that what you're wondering right now? Well, some of the ways I teach my clients in my academy are things like increasing your confidence, because confidence is actually something we learn. It's also being an assertive person and pursuing her. Oh, that's a hot one. That one's very, very attractive. It's also being chivalrous, being a gentleman, having inner strength and integrity. Those simple things is what makes a woman say, holy cow, he's a man, like a real man, and I really want him. Now, I obviously go into far more detail in my academy about how to do these things and how to show her that you are the man of her dreams. That's actually the best place for you to go to find that adorable gal who lights your heart on fire without the drama, without the toxic behavior, without being fake. And you'll also discover there what it is that makes a woman fall in love with you forever. We're talking forever kind of love. So are you tired of relationships that go nowhere? You tired of getting your hopes up and then having them crushed? The secrets I share with you in Attracting Lasting Love Academy have already helped so many men who thought they would never find the love of their life get married to the adorable girl that they've been dreaming of. So you need to be in on these secrets too, right? To learn more about these secrets and how you can join me, just go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass. I will be sharing with you in this free training some of the most powerful, least known insider secrets about women. And again, you'll learn more about the academy there as well. I will put a link in the description below and a link in the pinned comment, or just go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass. Okay, the next secret you need to know is going to surprise a lot of people. It's one you don't really stop to think about, but once you do, you're like, whoa, that makes so much sense. So, you ready for this one? The men who are the most attractive are the men who realize that men and women are actually on the same side. Sometimes we act like it's still boys against girls. I can't tell you as a coach how many men I see who are really bitter at women in love in general. And that bitterness is actually pushing the good women away. Now, I understand why they're bitter, and I'm not here to blame them for being bitter. They have been hurt so many times by toxic, fake women, and that right there is awful. And as a woman, that makes me sick inside, that there are women who are going around hurting men. There's nothing I can do about that, but it makes me completely sick. That's one of the reasons I became a coach, is to help you avoid women like that. So I understand why that bitterness is there. However, what we sometimes don't realize as humans is that bitterness can be seen by other people. It can be felt by other people. And when you're holding on to that bitterness, that women are stupid and women have it out for you and all women are toxic and all women care about is money and no woman will like me because I'm not this and I'm not that. When you're holding on to that bitterness, you are all the good girls who would love you, who would be kind, who would be sensitive, who would be gentle are like, ooh, red flag there. Kind of scared to get involved there, and they leave. So the way you deal with that instead is to say, you know what? Maybe all I've experienced is toxic and fake, but that's not all that's out there. And so I am going to actively find the women who are not like that, because they're out there. I help my clients get them all the time. I see them all the time. They are out there. So if you can go into the mindset of, you know what, we're all on the same side. We're all on the same side. We all want love. We all want compassion. We all want to be wanted. We all want understanding. And as you flip that mindset, that is going to ridiculously, that's going to flip your life around super, super fast. Quick question before we get to our next juicy secret. Would you like more videos like this one? It's kind of unusual for me, but I'm enjoying it. So are you? If you are and you would like more, the truth is knowledge is power. So comment knowledge to let me know that that's something you are interested in. And as always, a huge thank you to those of you who are so kind and supportive and generous with the super thanks. It truly touches my heart and helps me continue to bring you these videos. So thank you a million times. And whether you've ever used the super thanks or not, if you're enjoying this video and would like to use the super thanks, it really does help so much. So thank you. And the next secret is one of my favorite things. One of my favorite things to talk about, really. This secret thing that, when you know it, helps you capture her attention so much faster is just knowing how to rock what you've got. This is one of my favorite things to teach. You've got to learn how to rock what you've got. Everybody's different. Whoa. It's crazy to think about, but it's so true. Everybody's different and everybody has something to rock. So rather than focusing our time and our energy on, oh, I wish I was more like this, or oh, I wish I was more like that, instead, turn inward and rock what you've got, because there are women out there actively looking for what you have. It's not about being the best or the most. Instead, it's about saying, I'm gonna rock what I've got. And maybe you're sitting there and you're like, Melannie, I don't know how to do that. That's okay. It's a little bit overwhelming. Is that what you're thinking right now? Melannie, I don't even know what I have, let alone how to rock it. Is that what you're thinking? Don't worry, that's exactly what I help you master in my academy, okay? I walk you through how to just really rock who you are in such a way that it becomes obvious to your dream girl that you are the man she's been dreaming of. And can you imagine how good it would feel if it was obvious that you're her dream man? Yeah, that's what you want, isn't it? And I teach you how to do that in my academy. So again, to learn more about that, just go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass. I'll give you the deets there. Okay, should we sum up real fast what you have learned so far about the secret things men need to know that just skyrockets her attraction for you? You ready? Sound good? Number one is that she doesn't always want you to fix everything unless she's toxic. Usually all she wants is just someone to listen to her, a way for her to feel connected to you. Number two, she's nervous just like you, and she needs some understanding as well. Take the pressure off of both of you and just embrace the fact that it's a little nerve-wracking, and it's okay. The third thing it's important to understand is that she has to see you as a man. She has to see you as masculine, and I don't mean macho. I mean confident and masculine and strong. The fourth thing is to remember that women are on your side too. Don't embrace bitterness. Instead, remember that there are amazing women out there who just want love and respect and tenderness and closeness as much as you do. And number five, it's important to learn how to rock what you've got. It's not about chasing every fad that comes along. Instead, it's about saying, what do I have and how can I rock it? And let me just tell you, pay close attention. You with me? You have so much more to rock than you realize, and I'm here to help you do it like a boss. Thank you so much for watching, my amazing friend. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell and give me a big thumbs up. Do you have a friend who would enjoy this video? Share it with him, okay? It's gonna help him and me so much. Also, I would love to hear from you in the comments. If you'd like more videos like this one, comment knowledge, because knowledge is power, and leave any questions or ideas in the comments as well. And if you don't yet follow me on social media, there are links in the description below. I share exclusive content in my Instagram stories, so make sure you especially follow me there. Thank you so much again, my amazing friend, and have an amazing day. Psst. Hi friend, how you doing? Do you notice something different about this movie or this video? Well, there's probably a couple things different about this video, to be perfectly honest. But there's something different with my setup. Did you guess it? The mic is on this side now. I feel really weird. I can't tell you how many years it's been on this side. But I got a new desk, and I love my new desk. It's amazing. But now my mic has to go on this side, and I feel really weird. Okay, just wanted to share that with you. Sometimes you just got to get the awkwardness out of the way, and then you can relax. That is a life lesson for you. It's a little extra nugget you were not expecting to get today, but you're welcome. Sometimes you just got to get the awkwardness out of the way. I feel awkward because my mic's on the other side. Okay, we're good. I let it go now. Oh, man. All right. 2023 coming at you fast and hard, and it's going to be a great year and stuff. So let's get this party rolling. Let's be real. Men and women. Yep. Off to a good start. And by the way, if you haven't yet seen, I got to come over here. I can't point over here now. Haven't seen this video. If you haven't seen that one right there. Okay, I'm having too much fun with this. Yeah, okay. Hello, secret end of the video club. I love you guys. It's been a minute since we checked in because I haven't posted a video for a minute. So happy to be back. Hopefully you're happy I'm back too. Let me know. Our secret word for the end of this video. If you're new here, leave this word so that I know you watched to the end because it's really fun for me to see. And it confuses everyone, which is a little bit funny. I guess that's my mischievous side coming out a little bit. But the secret word for the end of this video is candy bar. Because there's one on my desk. It's right there, and I want it really bad. Fun fact, I'm actually not a huge sugar person, but every now and again, I just really need one, and it's right there. So I'm going to sign off now so I can go eat it. My comment candy bar. And never forget that you're awesome.